Self-absorbed. Formulated with almond oil and vitamin E, this nourishing shampoo and conditioner contains a blend of ingredients that works to seal hair's surface and strengthen it from within. Visibly Repair Hair. Our shampoo and conditioner for dry hair contains gentle cleansing, conditioning and moisturizing hair care agents to seal in moisture, boost softness and shine and nourish hair. FRIZZ Flyaway Protection. Our self-absorbed conditioner contains an anti-static agent that protects hair from frizz and flyaways, while our shampoo contains glycerin, a deeply moisturizing agent. The bedhead effect. Our shampoo and conditioner set is formulated with nutrients that penetrates and conditions hair fibers and restructures damaged proteins for shinier and healthier-looking hair. Half of me used to be trash. Our new shampoo and conditioner bottles are made with 50% recycled plastic. The bottle, cap and backbar pump are also recyclable. Let your creativity rule. Our purpose is to unleash creativity through awesome products, like this shampoo and conditioner. We champion creativity by inspiring others to express their individuality. Top reviews from the United States. Thumbs up. I was very happy with the product.